case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2015, the Kansas Court of Appeals heard Majors v. Hillebrand, a case challenging the requirement of physical injury in emotional distress claims. Jason Majors filed a lawsuit against the state of Kansas Department of Transportation after their employee, Gary T. Hillebrand, negligently caused a car collision with Majors' vehicle. Majors' daughter, Haley, was also in the car and suffered severe head injuries. Majors sought damages for his emotional distress, which included anxiety, PTSD, sleeping disorder, and hypertension, hindering his ability to work. Although he did not sustain any immediate physical injuries, Majors argued that he was entitled to damages due to his emotional distress. However, the lower court ruled in favor of the defendants, as Kansas law requires a plaintiff to show a qualifying physical injury in order to recover damages for emotional distress caused by negligence. On appeal, the court upheld the lower court's decision, citing the doctrine of stare decisis, which requires adherence to precedent. In this case, any changes to the physical injury rule needed to be decided by the Kansas Supreme Court. As a result, the Kansas Court of Appeals affirmed the summary judgment in favor of the defendants.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.